back with another one. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Like I said, when y'all see the shoe on the TV, that's the shoe we about to review, man. So, I'm happy I got these finally. Damn it, Foot Locker. Get it together. Get it together. Put warehouse number 4 or something. Don't put Foot Locker. You're going to have people like, oh. So let's go ahead and get into these babies, bro. And get into these babies, bro. So y'all getting the first hand look just like me. You slicing and dicing these things open. Slicing and dicing. Things is beautiful. We got a raw video. Oh, whew. What's that right there? Get that out of there. What's that there? Come on now. Come on now. Y'all know what time it is there now? Come on now. So, this past weekend on February the 28th, the last weekend of February, going into March, people was going crazy over these things right here. Going crazy over these things right here. Size 14, just for me. Like my man DNA show be saying. But yeah, man, these things, woo. And woo, y'all see these boys right here. A lot of people slept on this pair right here, though, back in, what, like September? Got that nice slope on these joints. Look at that slope on the toe box. Oh, my goodness. Like, just like the 90s. The 90s 23 with the Nike Air. People didn't want these. I was like, y'all tripping. Had to get them. Throw the black laces in them, set them off. I tell you, your fives like this, you set them off. But back to the main event, baby, because you know we be getting distracted. Woo! These, the tax income fives, the tax refund fives, the tax season fives, it's all hype. All hype, as my man Jay the sneaker guy says, man. Cause where was this hype in 2011? Yeah, man, 2011, nobody wanted these right here, man. Sitting everywhere. Crazy. No hype for those, man. No hype for those. So, y'all gonna get the hype for these because they done put them with the Nike Air box, but they still got the Jumpman on the back, but let's get into it. So you're gonna have your blue stamp on the inside, you're gonna have your gold little stamp right there. Still gonna have your Compass little stamp right there. I don't know if they got no YDM sticker or whatever the crap called right there. Well, let's unveil the main attraction today. Oh, didn't fold how I wanted it to there. Put it this way. Oh, still didn't fold. Oh, but you peeked. Oh, but you see. Oh, baby. Here you have them. The Wolf Gray Air. Oh, she's naive. Air Jordan 5. See, this toe box don't look as good as that fire red toe box, bro. This toe box over here look way better, bro. Look at that toe box. Woo, that thing looking smooth. This one's looking a little, but yeah, man. The fives. Go ahead and give it to you. Get your little divider in there, of course, so they don't rub up against each other. Now, I don't know if I might keep these. I had the wet cement 4s, so those. Still got my Cool Grays. Actually need another pair of Cool Grays. So I'm gonna get some of those. Still got my Flint Gray 14s that I barely wear because I still gotta break those in also. So, you know, I ain't really, I like gray shoes. I always had these when I was a kid. I had like some Nike basketball gray shoes, all gray shoes. I always like all gray shoes, but I don't know, baby. I don't know. What the hell is that? Always my pair. Gotta have something on them, bro. Every time. But when you got the big foot, you gotta take what you can get because our sizes don't stay available for too long. Yeah, just like, I don't know. The toe box on these look longer than the toe box on these. I don't know, bro. This toe box is beautiful on these fire red joints. But I don't know, bro. Something about these Wolf Gray. What that right there? What that right there? Come on now. Don't do me like that. What that? See, it ain't even coming off, man. We'll have to get that with something else. But yeah, man, like this toe box just looks a little weird, bro. I heard a lot of people saying that, like on the, you know, the shoe joints, the comments, and people's videos and stuff. Like, looks very weird. And then, of course, you got the translucent bottom, which is more blue than the metallic 5s was. I sold my metallic 5s. I was going to bring them out for the video too, man. But I sold them joints. I did bring them out when I reviewed these. So if y'all go check out the video for these, y'all see the metallic 5s that I used to own in that video. But yeah, man. These had people going crazy. Oh, that's why it's not the tissue paper not pushed up. That's why the joints look like that. I was about to say, dang. Let's see now how this joint looking. Okay, that's a little better. A little better. Had to give it some form underneath that toe right there. But y'all see the white stitching. Y'all see the 2-3. Just like the 2-3 right here. They brought back the OG 2-3. You got your Jumpman on the back. You got your Air Jordan facing the upright way. Because only on the OGs, they'll put it upside down. Because back in the day, when the OGs first came out, people would wear their Jordans like this. So they would like kind of have it pinned down with the pacifier. And the pacifier would kind of lock the tongue right here in place. Once you know, you're saying you press it up against it. So some people used to rock their Jordans like that. It started with the 4s, and then some people wore their 5s like that. But a lot of people didn't wear their 5s like that because the 5's tongue is like so goated and so beautiful. Especially if it has the 3M on it like these. So a lot of people really didn't do that. So, but they still kept it upside down just for people, you know, that had that style back in the 90s from the 4s and everything like that. But yeah, man. You got your cool breeze. This shoe, tissue papers stuck all in there. But yeah, man, I had the Western Mints, and it's like those was hurting my feet. I don't know. Something about these gray shoes be hurting my feet. Those was hurting my feet. The Cool Grays hurt my feet when I first got those. But I broke those in. And then the Flint Gray 14s, man. The Flint Gray 14s, crazy how those definitely still like don't break in too well. So yeah, I don't know. So I don't know if it's the gray shoes, how like the material they use. This is a nice material. I've seen a lot of people had like the like that elephant wrinkles on it. Even though they called the wolf braids, they should have just called them the elephant prints. But that probably wouldn't have been as sexy as wolf braid. But yeah, mine don't have as many wrinkles as I've seen on pairs on like YouTube and stuff like that. So this is definitely a shocker for sure. So yeah, I ain't think that they was gonna do this to me. Have them like that. So these joints still fire. You see the laces on the joints. Still fire. It's just that, I don't know. If I'm going to keep them, the translucent part going to be hard to keep clean. Y'all already know that. You know what I'm saying? You have to definitely put some sole protectors on them or something because that's all translucent, like them Spider-Man ones and like them Dior ones. Had the translucent all at the bottom. So yeah, that's a pain in the butt to keep clean for sure. But yeah, these joints is official. It look like the shoe paper is tough in these joints for some reason. But I was trying to push this one up a little bit more. It does have the transitional suede. So yeah, that's cool. But yeah, man, these things better. People fighting, running over each other, going crazy, running with babies, dropping babies, shooting people. Doing a bunch of wild nonsense for these joints, bro. These joints is okay. Like, they nice. You know what I'm saying? They nice. Check them out. They nice. Real nice. But is it worth losing your life? Is it worth dropping your babies? Is it worth, you know, ditching responsibilities just to have a shoe that nobody wanted, 15 years ago? I don't think so. But there y'all got them, man. He got them. I got them. Did y'all get them? If not, y'all better try the rep route like I always tell y'all, man. Or save up y'all pennies. But until next time, y'all, it's been real. Brother Marcus is out. Stay blessed, baby.